Have you ever been stopped, picked up, or detained and nobody tells you why? Today on Law in Your Hands, we're talking about right to personal liberty under Section 35 of the 1999 Constitution. Because in Nigeria, freedom is not a favor, it is a constitutional guarantee. According to Section 35, every person shall be entitled to his personal liberty, and no person shall be deprived of such liberty except in specified cases and in accordance with the procedure permitted by law. So, in simple terms, nobody, not the police, not the military, not any government agency, can lock you up unless the law clearly allows it. So, when can you legally be arrested? The Constitution allows arrest in only specific situations. For example, where the court is executing a court sentence, reasonable suspicion of committing a crime, preventing a crime, mental health protection, immigration control, quarantine or public health reasons, custody of minors. Outside of these, detention becomes illegal. You have rights immediately after arrest. The Constitution did not just stop at arrest, it protects you after arrest too. Section 35 sub 2, you have a right to be informed promptly of the reason for your arrest, the right to remain silent, and your right to consult a lawyer. Now, if nobody tells you this, your detention is already unconstitutional. Section 35 sub 3, you have to be spoken to in the language that you understand. The explanation must be given in a language that you understand, not police English, not intimidation, clear communication. According to Section 35 sub 4 and 5, you must be taken to court within a reasonable time. 24 hours where a court is within 40 kilometers, or 48 hours in any other case where the court is quite far. So if this is not done, the detention becomes illegal. Investigation is ongoing is not the excuse. Come back tomorrow is not the excuse. The Constitution did not leave room for such excuses. Now, if you are detained and cannot be tried within 2 months, you are entitled to release on bail, especially for non-capital offenses. That is straight from the Constitution. According to Section 35 sub 6, if your liberty is violated, you are entitled to a public apology and compensation. Yes, the law allows you to sue the government, especially in cases like this. Now, the next time someone says to you, "We can hold you as long as we want, we can detain you here," do not be afraid. Just know that they cannot, because the Constitution already placed the law in your hands. If this helped you understand your rights, please share this video. Someone out there may need it before their next police encounter. Subscribe for the next episode, and we will discuss the right to fair hearing according to Section 36. Bye-bye.